So check it out, guys. 1 week later and it's still standing. I'm pretty proud of myself, I gotta say. Oh, actually, I mean, it's still standing, right? It seems like there was people in here because those two things weren't in here, and then that rock wasn't in here for sure, and some of the sticks obviously fell around. But check this out. It seems like I inspired some people to attempt their own creations. Very nice. But it seems like they didn't go as far as I did. They're not crackheads like I am. And somebody fucked this side up. That's the only thing. This side here seems like it started falling over. But other than that, shit, this place is still good. Nicely done. 1 week later, homie. 1 week later. Bodybuilding something new. Nearly broke my back trying to bring all this shit up. Heavy as hell. But that's the hard part. I just gotta fill it all around. So you can see I want to make it that big, that deep. Practically as tall as me, you know, and then some. And yeah, that's gonna be like the backbone pretty much. I'm just gonna put sticks on the sides, you know. Hopefully it works. This thing fell like 3 times already, but I put these things right here as reinforcement, so hopefully it doesn't shift from one side to the other. We'll see how this ends up. So far so good. So back here, that's the bathroom. Right here, that's where I sleep. It's like, what is up, y'all? Coming at you from a land far, far away. I'm actually back at the little tent I made about a week ago, and it's still standing. Isn't that freaking crazy? What is this, a tent? My hut what was I gonna say? My hut faced that bitch known as time, and it withstood time. And here I am, a week later, about to spark up. I'm actually building another one. I don't know if you can see it from here. Maybe from here. Off into the vast distance. Hold on. Over there. That's a big mofo over there. But as you might guess, it's pretty big. It's pretty big. It's a lot of work, but it's getting there nonetheless. You know, it's getting there. I see there's like 2 other little huts that they tried to make, but they couldn't hack it. Only Papa Andre know how to hack this. It's in my blood. It's in my ancestry, you dig? All jokes aside, I'm about to spark up and continue with the building. And yeah, what a beautiful day it is. Thursday, March 30th, approximately 12 p.m. Yes, baby. Point Mugu State Park, near Malibu or Oxnard, depending on which way you might like to see it. This is like right in between the city limit for each side, so fun times. Anyways, let me smoke up. I'll catch you guys next time. So this is how far it's gone. I'm honestly pretty tired now, and I'm hungry. It's 1:30 p.m. I think I started this at 11. And yeah, like I said, I'm tired, but I mean, this thing's pretty much done. I just gotta fill it up. But I'm tired. So you can see inside right now. I could straight up lay down right here if I wanted to. I don't want to though, because I don't want to get sand on me right now. Gotta go to work. But if I needed to, like, check this out. This is me compared to the whole thing. See? I could easily lay down. I can easily stand up. I mean, like, that's something. So far, so good. And I just gotta fill it up, like I said. Let's go around it. Thing's pretty massive. You could easily chill in there with some people, you know, just hang out, have a smoke or whatever. And then that other one I made is over there. Nice. Yeah, I think I'm done for today. I'm gonna go eat, go work. Don't be poking on my tent, bro. Dude was over here poking at it. Hopefully this thing is still standing by tomorrow. I want to continue this tomorrow. But for now, gotta go eat, shower, work. And like I said, I'm tired. So even if I didn't have to do all those things, I'm probably just gonna leave it here. Got the ribs going.